Hello friends, the video which you are going to see is an example of how I conduct a one-on-one live session. The time taken for this session was 1 hour live, one-on-one, followed by another 1 hour of a briefing or follow-up session. Initially, I sit behind the shooter, the way it is shown in the video, and he shoots 40 to 60 to 70 shots. And I am commenting and making notes in the background. In the follow-up session of another 1 hour, we discuss the points. In this video, I have edited 2 hours into 25 minutes. The objective is that you should get an idea of how a one-on-one session is held using the latest technology available. The second point is the shooter concerned is sitting in Delhi and I'm sitting in Satara, Maharashtra, a distance of over 1,000 kilometers approximately. And the third point is one-on-one live sessions are very private. This is the only session which will be uploaded on Facebook, YouTube, and other mediums so that you get to know how the coaching is conducted live and online. Please note that if you are having a one-on-one live session with me, it will be private and it will not be posted on YouTube or Facebook or any other medium. So take a look at how this one-on-one live session is conducted.
Sir, audible?
Yeah, audible. Yeah, fine. Okay.
Yeah, sir. So I have been telling that I have gone through my physical warm-up, then I had done TAV, and then little meditation, and then the technical one. So technical one was a session for around 5 minutes.
Are you canting your pistol to the right?
Sorry, sir?
Are you canting your pistol to the right?
Canting the pistol.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. A little towards right.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. सर द फोर्थ साइड एक्चुअली जैसे सर होता है ना कभी कभी जैसे जब मेंथॉल वगैरह कुछ होता है कुछ ठंडा चीज होता है तो वो आंखों के ऊपर एक हल्का सा वो एक इरिटेशन सा रहता है कुछ सर कुछ वैसा सा हो रहा है सर वो फीलिंग तो जो फोर्थ साइड है वो एकदम शार्प क्लियर नहीं आ रही सर नीचे की तरफ जब नीचे एमिंग एरिया में आ रही है तो वो शेडी आंख ब्लिंक करता हूँ तो एकदम से शार्प हो जाती है फिर 1 सेकंड के बाद वापस वो शेड हो जाती है
Where is your TAV card?
Yeah, it's with me only. I'm visualizing it.
Now, this may happen even in a match, so you'll have to become mentally strong and just continue. Do
Okay.
a lot of visualization of TAV. This is being recorded and it will be sent to you again.
Okay, sir.
I have sent you the recording of yesterday's entire thing also. Then
Okay.
I'll send you a recording of this follow-up also.
Okay.
So there is no need. I have got my points.
Right,
So
sir.
the first point is, you are canting your pistol to the right, thoda,
Right, sir.
very slightly. Okay, you just be careful about that. You have a very good holding after the shot.
So that is what I am actually practicing for the last 10 days.
Good, because this good holding after the shot is the base, the first step towards the next step, which I'm going to tell you.
ठीक
The
है.
exercise that I'm going to tell you, I have a video also uploaded, which will explain to you exactly. So it will help me to explain to you exactly.
ठीक
And
है.
then afterwards, you can keep replaying this video in case there's nothing, you miss out some point. So it will be covered,
Okay, sir.
right?
Right.
So that's the great part about one-on-one live session. If you were standing here and I would give you the instructions, you go home, I go home, and so,
Right, sir.
all right. Now, there was a point which you said about, you complained about your eyes misting.
Yes, sir. So that actually gone through. आपने जैसे मुझे बताया, उसके बाद सर it was perfectly. I even give you a thumbs up after that.
Yes.
क्योंकि मतलब that was a problem that actually I was facing only during when I was in pressure. कभी भी प्रैक्टिस में नहीं होता ये. जब कभी लगता है कि हाँ कुछ प्रेशर हो गया, तो ये हमेशा होता है कि जो मेरा मेन है कि फोर्थ साइड एमिंग एरिया में एकदम शार्प दिखना चाहिए. So I did that, and then it was perfectly what I needed. It was like that.
Okay. Now, this point, like how in the last training, I gave you a point of holding, not switching off immediately after the shot, tack down. No.
Yeah. Yes,
now
sir.
you are doing tack and then down.
Yes.
So you have implemented that. That's very good. That's very good. Now this point, keep it in your mind. The misting of the eyes, आँख, sides धुंधले, बड़ा simple सा solution है. It's very simple. Within 30 seconds you can clear it.
Right, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then there are other points. Your 11th shot, I'll just read through.
Okay.
11th shot was there was no proper follow through. The 12th shot, there was an excellent follow through, and you got a 10. The 13th shot you cancelled, which is very good. You must discipline. That discipline will come gradually. and you work. See, the best part about you, Jatin, is I tell you and you implement it. So this thing also, this discipline, if things are not going as per your desire, as per your satisfaction, generally it is either the sides are blurred or the trigger is taking too long and your breathing is going out of 6. So you cancel it, because that will affect your trigger timing. And remember, your subconscious mind, see, the conscious mind is recording everything into the subconscious mind. The subconscious mind is recording it into the unconscious. Right? So you have to give the correct signal through the subconscious mind to the unconscious mind. The conscious mind is just a camera recording.
Right.
The subconscious mind is like the random access memory. जो रिकॉर्ड होती है और निकल जाता है, डिसॉल्व हो जाता है. बट द रीड ओनली मेमोरी इज द अनकॉन्शियस माइंड. वहां पे आप उसको एडिट भी नहीं कर सकते हो इजीली. तो जो अनकॉन्शियस माइंड, इन द अनकॉन्शियस माइंड द मेन प्रोग्राम इज बीइंग स्टोर्ड, comes through the conscious, subconscious and in the unconscious. Now if the signal from your conscious mind is rubbish, तो subconscious mind में भी rubbish. Subconscious mind, देखो unconscious mind है ना, it does not immediately act. If you keep on sending rubbish, then it will act.
ठीक है.
If you send very good stuff, then it will. So that it takes longer. It's got these firewalls. It doesn't change so easily. Editing is not enabled so quickly. Okay, understood?
Understood.
And you are ready for the MSP program, the mental shot program. See, the mental shot program, but the beginner shooter will not understand, because the difference between the beginner, intermediate and advanced, whereas the beginner has no idea of what I am talking about. Uska aiming process bhi set nahi. It doesn't come from the subconscious mind or the unconscious mind. Naturally nahi aata. So his mental awareness is very low, especially for the automatic trigger operation. Automatic. Sights, targets, aiming area mein, everything should work on its own.
Right, sir.
Yet that awareness has to be there before you qualify yourself for the mental shot program. In the mental shot program, the awareness goes even higher. Okay, follow through needs to be worked on, which I will be giving you the exercise. Your 21st shot, your trigger timing was slightly quick. That you will understand when you see correlated with the video that I've sent. So आपको
21st shot.
हाँ, थोड़ा गया 10 में हो.
वो issue नहीं है.
Yeah,
technically नहीं.
But see, your trigger timing is, you're not a robot. You're not a machine. Is 6 seconds पे आके it is going to break. 6 seconds पे आके it is going to break. Don't expect it to be perfect. That crucial 2-3 seconds, your mind on the trigger feeling that we have mastered, the technique that I've shown you, if your mind has to be 100% focused on that.
Okay.
And that is what we are going to learn in mental shot programming.
ठीक है.
MSP program में हमें क्या करना है कि it is similar to TAV exercises, only here your aiming process and your trigger operation become automatic.
Right.
So you just concentrate on your sight and everything happens on its own.
Yeah.
Aiming process में है ही है, trigger operation also becomes automatic. Also becomes automatic. You know what is the definition of focus lock?
Yes.
It is automatic.
Automatic. हाँ.
It is, see, aiming process के 3 भाग हैं. Arc of movement.
Right.
Sight alignment.
हाँ.
And focus lock. These are the 3 elements. Aiming process mastery is done through the TAV exercise. Okay. You don't have to do donkey work. Okay. Other people are wasting the time on. Okay. Which means after you have mastered the TAV, you have mastered the aiming process, you don't have to, then even before the sights come into C, everything happens automatically. Sights become aligned, arc of movement gets reduced, and you automatically get focus lock.
हाँ, ठीक है.
अब तीनों में की है focus lock.
फोकस क्लॉक.
If you get focus clock, all three things follow. Focus clock आ गया,
तो सर वो आर्क मूवमेंट कम हो जाएगा, सब
and
कुछ.
your sides become aligned.
यस यस यस, अग्रीड.
I always insist on the focus clock.
ओके, ठीक है.
But focus clock आ गया, you forget about. I mean, it is at the background. You are driving your car, झाड़ियाँ, milestones are passing by, trees, मोहल्ले. तो अपना your mind is looking through the windscreen to the focus. बाकी सब आ जाता है, सेट हो जाता है.
ठीक है.
अब उसमें हमको ऑटोमेटिक ट्रिगर, smooth continuous trigger follow through. That has to be programmed, which is the ultimate, and it can be, and it is done so damn easily. You will not believe it. And I'm going to see there are three kinds of warming up. एक तो फिजिकल है, आप एक्सरसाइज करो, स्ट्रेचिंग करो, थोड़ा पसीना, लाइट पसीना निकालते, you know, your body, the synapses, you know what is synapse?
No.
The brain controls your muscles and your entire body.
Okay.
The brain controls the movement. Harakat, movement is done through a signal passed to the brain through the nerve, distance between each cell. The nerve sends a signal through the synapses, which is a jump of the electric impulse from one cell to the other.
Okay.
And through that, it controls the entire muscles and movement.
Okay.
Okay. So your body has to be nicely warmed up physically so that that signal goes very clearly. Signal तो जाता भी है, आप सो के उठो तो भी जाएगा.
वो seamlessly, clearly जाएगा.
Slow. Because your muscles are not warmed up physically. So physical warming up का ये किस्सा है.
ठीक है.
The second issue is the mental warming up. See, mental warming up. You get up in the morning, there are so many things in your mind. Even if you have a match, there are so many things in your mind. Right? So all those things are there. Then the family, close family, wife, daughter, son. And then comes your match. कि अभी चलो, अभी बहुत हो गया. Match पे आते हैं. And as you come and closer to your match time, mentally you become. But the mental warming up just before the match, so 45 minutes हम बाहर करते हैं holding, जो technique for shooting at 10 का जो अपना ये है ना, against the wall जो हम करते हैं, your breathing, your sights and your trigger, all these things, इसके साथ आपका माइक्रो लेवल पे मसल का भी वार्मिंग अप होता है, और ट्रिगर ऑपरेशन, परफेक्ट टेक्निक फॉर शूटिंग एट 10 का जो भी क्रिया है आपकी, वो लेकिन मेंटली नाउ यू आर टोटली इनटू इट, पूरे उसके अंदर आप अपने टेक्निक में. टेक्निकल वार्मिंग अप इज दिस ओनली, करते रहो so that when you come to the firing point you are not cold. फ्रीजर में से आज तंदूरी बनानी है, कल मुर्गी लेके रख दिया है, डीप फ्रीज में से निकाल के उसको माइक्रोवेव में डाल के डीफ्रॉस्ट, एंड दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम. दीस बिगिनर शूटर्स का प्रॉब्लम ये है कि दे डोंट डीफ्रॉस्ट. सीधा जाके आप अपनी वो, आई डोंट नो वेदर यू आर वेज और नॉन वेज, बट जस्ट फॉर एग्जांपल, damn frozen chicken and put it in the tawa, it's not going to work. You have to defrost it. And the same thing happens in the preparation time before the match. So those who are not aware of mental, physical and technical warming up, the way we are doing it, with so much intensity and depth and study and going thoroughly deep, understanding the mechanics, nuts and bolts, they are half frozen here. I have seen in the match, और आप देखो ये जो state level के जो matches, not national level, because national level the level has gone very high, but in a state level match में अगर जब जाओगे जहाँ पे beginners आते हैं, you'll actually, they don't know what to do, they'll sit on the chair or and they yawn, you know, and then they're looking here and there. Whole thing we are doing this is so that through the sighter timing कि जब हम पहला record shot जब हम fire करते हैं, it should be a 10.
Yes.
You can't say that ठीक है यार, पहले 2-3 shot में 80-90 लग गए तो लग गए, मैं धीरे धीरे warm up होगा. It's not. It doesn't work that way. Top level shooter, first shot 10, second shot 10, third shot, fourth shot 10. That is not only his mastery over his technique for shooting at 10, but his perfect mental, physical, and technical warming up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to play the video. First, just let me play the video. See this video. Okay? You have seen this video a number of times. Just see it once again. Okay, you could see it. Now, when the sights are coming into the aiming area, it has played in the 7th second, but from the 5th, 6th, and 7th second. Okay. Give me the feedback. 5-10 minutes के लिए कि sir, this is what happened. Is this correct? Is this correct? Is this correct? Understood? Or we can have a follow-up session one-on-one for just those 15-20 shots as soon as possible. No problem. कल नहीं, एक दिन एक session आप you study on your own. Then we'll have a follow-up session, one-on-one session, because this is a very critical point.
नहीं सर, the thing is that ना what you आपने अभी जो समझाया कि वो just सर मिली सेकंड होता है, not even a second. मतलब
आपके वीडियो में जैसे साइड एमिंग एरिया में आया कि ये एक पिक्चर आएगा कि this is what I have to do, then you will do the follow through. It is a mental video. I will make another video for you specifically for this. इसके अंदर क्या कार्रवाई करनी है इसको हम थोड़ा और डीप जाएंगे. But again, that awareness has to increase.
Yes.
आप थोड़े 1-2 सेशन कीजिए. Get back to me. In the meantime, I'll prepare that video. और during that listening तो वो दोनों एक काम हो जाएगा. Okay.